Hello, so this is a tutorial of a rainbow loom bracelet.
We are making a fishtail bracelet.
Let's get started. So first take a rubber band and twist it into a figure 8.
Take another rubber band of your choice and put it on your finger. Don't twist it.
Take another rubber band and make sure it's of the color of your first rubber band.
Take the bottom rubber band and put it on the top of the other rubber bands. Repeat the process until desired size. Don't get your colors mixed.
When you're done, do not add another rubber band. Now take the second band, do what you did with the other bands until you have one band left. At last, take your S hook and then take your bracelet off your fingers and then add the S hook. And we're done!
Bye! Thanks for watching!